Benefits of agritourism. Agritourism, also known as agricultural tourism, has a number of benefits both for visitors and for the local communities in which it takes place. Some of the key benefits include 1. Supports local farmers and promotes sustainable agriculture. 2. Increases public awareness and appreciation for agriculture. 3. Provides a unique and authentic travel experience. 4. Supports rural economic development. 5. Encourages environmental stewardship. 6. Provides a break from the pace of city life. 7. Preservation of rural and agricultural culture. 9. Money and prestige for farmers. 10. Agritourism is blend of rural and urban culture. Overall, agritourism is a unique and engaging way for people to connect with their food and their communities and offers a number of benefits for both visitors and local communities. About agrotourism, Vishwa Agritourism. Vishwa provide all services agritourism site developed to marketing and promotion. Agrotourism concept, land development, interior design, bank project report, marketing and agritourism master plan. We provide one-window service. Complete service all about agri and rural tourism. All our team members are dedicated and beaming and experienced and expert in their field. There are also media practitioners.